All right. Well, so I was in the Iowa CS department office today, which is good because it means that now, since being employed here, I've actually been to the office as often as I had been before I was employed here, and I got my 7E3 Iowa Computer Science sweatshirt. 7E3 being a great year to be in computer science at Iowa, even if I wasn't. And I found out that there's been a package waiting for me all this time, and so I was entrusted with this package, but only if I did an unboxing video. So here's the unboxing video for whatever this is, which I'm gonna think is perhaps a book. But yeah, so it's wrapped in. Can you please zoom in on this a little bit? It's wrapped in graph paper. Not just graph paper though. Like this is actually logarithmic graph paper. So not something that most of us have in our offices. And I want to say like hazardously reminiscent of real numbers, but I guess I can think of it as exponential graph paper, and then I can be happy with it. I have no real numbers around here. So yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and get into it. And we have Comprehensive Structured COBOL Second Edition. So somebody knew that my teaching approaches in teaching programming languages. A little known fact, COBOL had effects and handlers long before anybody was talking about effects and handlers. And since there's a magnetic medium included, apparently we're going to have a 3.5 inch disc. So I guess the second challenge can be unboxing the 3.5 inch floppy drive. Look for that next decade on this channel. Try to get into the plastic packaging with a butter knife like you do. Just ruined, diminished the value of this antique COBOL textbook by, 100% by removing the plastic packaging. But yeah, there we go. See what we've got on the back. We've got an end user license agreement. I may not merge the software with another program except for my personal use on a single computer. All right. Got here the Educational Development System for DOS, version 4.10.06. Boyd and Fraser. I actually had a joke all prepared. I have a mug here, and I was going to talk about these devices they used to include that you could, just rest your mug. I feel like I might be damaging this. I don't know how many copies there are of version 4.10.06 of the COBOL environment anymore. I almost feel like I really shouldn't be taking these apart and using them for drink coasters. We've got a nice piece of cardboard packaging. It's really held up over the years. And we got the book itself. Right. That definitely looks like COBOL. Okay. Pictures of printer cards, not just representations of cards, but actual, there's handwriting on there. You wouldn't want non-authentic printer spacing charts for programming exercise 1. This is compatible with either a COBOL 74 or COBOL 85 oriented course. So, doesn't seem to be about object-oriented COBOL though, or as it's commonly known, add 1 to COBOL. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. A new addition to my bookcase, and I'm going to have to get on eBay and see if I can't find some device that reads 3.5-inch floppy disks in, 7E4 to see if we can't emulate a DOS environment and get some COBOL going. So thanks Alberto. I'm looking forward to it.